Hello, this is a tutorial about dynamic navigation. So yes, I will show you this. So the AI will get stuck. The third person character does not. So I will show you like this. So the navigation is not affected by the collision of the third person character. So normally you would search for navigation and either check this or check this, and then check if the collision is affected, and you see the navigation is affected. But when you play, do you see the difference? It's not affected yet. So what is wrong? So before I go and proceed to do how to fix this, first of all, you need to change the settings about the navigation system. So go to your project settings, navigation system, and on your navigation mesh, and on navigation settings, here runtime and runtime generation, select dynamic. So let's go back to third person character. So instead of this, you need to click this third person character self and check this, and then compile and save, and then let's play. And now it is updating, and the AI is going around your character, and it's not getting stuck again. Oh no. So I'll add this short tutorial also. So in this post, I made this post or posting action. So I thought making this is just okay. So I searched for a tutorial and how to pause at a game. So this is just a normal pausing function. And when I play and when I press the pause, it will pause. But now it doesn't unpause. If you see what I unchecked there, execute when paused. This needs to be checked so that when the game is paused, this button will still function. So I pause and then unpause and then pause again and then unpause. Okay, that's all. Thank you.